Hi, in this exercise, we are going to use Raft Terraform provider to provision a RBAC controlled dedicated environment, also known as project, for an application team. For this, we are going to refer the Get Started tutorial, use case, project as a service. We are going to create a project, a user group. We are going to map the roles to the group. We are going to create crowd credentials. We'll also create git/helm repository for add-ons. We can create Nginx and cert manager, which can be customized further to add various number of other add-ons based on the user requirement. We will be creating the custom blueprint based on the add-ons which we have created and add that particular blueprint to the cluster, and also a cluster override will be created, and then finally we'll create our cluster. All this will be via the automated Terraform provider script of Rafe. Let's see. The prerequisite for creating a EKS cluster in this scenario is that you should have access to Amazon AWS account and are able to access the AWS console. You should have sufficient privilege to create an IAM role with the default full IAM policy to allow the controller to provision resource for the Amazon EKS cluster on your behalf in your Amazon AWS account. You should also install Terraform on the machine where you are going to start this exercise. The first thing you need to modify is the config file. You have to add your API key and API secret, which can be fetched from the Rafe UI in a couple of ways. You can either download your CLI config, or you can go to the manage keys to generate the API keys. I will update this file and come back. Modified my config.json. Now let's move on to the other files. We'll fetch the role ARN and external ID from my Amazon account. Here we'll just comment out the AKS section. As you can see, the cluster creation process has already started. Let us verify that on our dashboard. You can see the new project is created, and let's go inside and check the other parameters. The cluster creation has begun. Yes. Let's see what are the other resources which are created. A custom blueprint is created. Nginx and Cert Manager add-on are created. The cloud credentials are created. We've also created the cluster override. And the repository, the Cert Manager and the Nginx controller repository are also created. Let's wait for some times till this cluster comes up. Now you can see that our cluster provisioning is completed. Let's go to the Rafa UI. The cluster status is now healthy. Let's check few parameters here. To delete all these configurations, you can simply follow Terraform destroy, and it should delete all the configurations just created. Thank you.